Hello guys, look that Apple Watch quality ungluing by itself. Check it out, how quality product they are. Now we put a little bit of glue for sealing because the madam won't still using without break the display. And after that we put the pressure. Don't buy Apple Watch, buy a classic watch. Is the best option for you. Even if we sell it we lose money. Money is not everything. Value our content for this, and that's it. Now you put pressure on it, you're waiting that sealed. Never go waterproof again these devices, and never buy. Useless as need. If you need a smartwatch, buy Xiaomi. Much better for €50.